The last thing I want each team to do together is to summarize what their formula tells us and why you pick that formula. So if I go over to my super formula here, I can see that it is the sum of these two numbers, and I can see that these two numbers come from some other numbers. Now, what I would do to describe my formula in words is to say that I calculated the short catch percentage for each player and their long throwing percentage for each player, and I added them together. The reason I did that, let's just imagine for a moment, that the reason I did that is that I believe that the ability to make short catches is really important in order to get the frisbee in your hands. But once you have it, I think that it's really important to be able to throw far downfield so that you can pick up a lot of yards in a single play, so that you don't risk too many drops, things like that. So I want someone who can get to the frisbee and then throw it deep. So what I did is I calculated each of those percentages separately and added them together, since I think that they have equal weight. I just added them, I didn't multiply by anything else. That would be an example of a fairly simple explanation for my formula. You might have something like, well, I sorted by the number of wins because I figured if they found a way to win, it doesn't matter how, they must be good, so I want them on my team. So I just took the number of wins. That would be a overly simplistic example, but the idea is that you explain how you rank your players and why you think it's a good idea to do it that way. And just write that up in your Moodle post as a team.